Hi, the next website that I chose is code.org. Code.org is built to teach kids how to code and work in some computer science into their education. I chose this because kids are really engaged by it. They love it, and it's really relevant in today's world. I've had kids on it from first grade all the way through fifth grade, but as you can see, it starts kids in kindergarten and you can go all the way up through university ages. It works really well for first grade through fifth grade. Like I said, I've used them all. You can teach actual lessons on it. You can also put kids in some self-guided lessons and projects, and it makes it really simple for technology time, which we have at our school twice a week. And so we teachers are responsible for getting those technology lessons ready, and then our technology para puts those to use. So this is a really great thing for us to use in our school. And here's some examples of those projects that you can put them on. Projects are a little bit longer than just the games that go step by step to teach them how to code. They've also added some art projects on here, which my fifth graders will love doing. Minecraft, super engaging at this point in kids' lives. They also have some Angry Birds on here, which my first graders used to love. And I'll take you through how to do that, how to set up a group here in just 1 minute. So in order to do that, in order to set up an account, you go over here to sign in the upper right hand corner. I already have a sign in. So you can set one up or you can go straight to your class. It brings you to this page right here. In order to create a new class, you click there, choose whether you're going to do picture logins, word logins, or something personal. I do the words for my fifth graders. When I had first graders, I did pictures. You can set up a class. You just name your class, choose your grade. And then if you know exactly what course you want your kids to be on, you can put it in there. I'm going to click Decide Later, just since I'm making an example class here. Save. Here's my example class. I'm going to add students. I usually just copy paste my class list into add multiple students. I'll just make up some names for us. Add your kids in. Then you choose their ages and whether they're female or male. They're tracking gender because there is such a push for female students to be in STEM programs. And I will get rid of all of this when we are done. You can save all. And then you can print your login cards. You can also email them to students if you'd rather. So obviously I print mine and give them to our technology teacher. Once you have your passwords, and there's some good examples of passwords that they give, they're really simple. You can set up projects. You can set up assessments. You can see the progress of your students. Obviously, our students have not done anything. You can see exact progress for specific students. You can see if they've been working or not. So I'll give you a quick example of a lesson. They have unplugged activities that teachers can do with their students. The first one, I believe, is about computer science. They go into some paper airplane activities and graph paper. It is a lot of fun. And then this very first lesson number 2, the maze, the kids really enjoy. Here is the Angry Birds one that I talked about. So it is super simple for kids. They watch a quick video before it runs. I'll give you a quick.
I was in 8th grade when I learned the program.
I first learned how to make a green circle and a red square appear on the screen.
You just learn these lessons, and there aren't that many of them, and you just eventually can get to the point where you can do almost anything that you want.
Okay, so it shows a quick video. It actually goes through and shows them exactly how to do it. And then it gives them directions as they go to teach them how to exactly to code their little guy through a maze. And so it gets harder as lessons go on. The last thing I want to say is that the ISTE standards that it covers is 1C and 1D. And I hope you enjoyed learning about code.org. Thank you.